In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chrome extensions on Android. If you've ever tried this in the standard Chrome app on your phone, you've probably noticed extensions aren't supported there. The key is to use a Chromium-based browser on Android that does support extensions. A popular choice is Kiwi browser, which you can find on the Google Play Store. First, install a compatible browser. Open the Play Store, search for a Chromium-based browser that supports extensions, and install it. I'll be using Kiwi browser for this walkthrough because it's fast, free, and widely trusted. Give the download a moment to complete and let the installation finish. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're on a stable internet connection and keep the browser updated so extensions work reliably over time. Next, open the browser you just installed and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type chrome.google.com/webstore and hit go. The web store will load much like it does on desktop. If the layout feels cramped on a small screen, zoom in to read descriptions, screenshots, and user reviews comfortably. Use the search bar to find the exact extension you need, or browse by category if you're exploring options. Take a moment to check ratings, the last update date, and the overview so you know what to expect. Once you've found the extension you want, tap Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear showing the permissions the extension requests. Read these carefully so you understand what data or access the tool needs. If you're comfortable with that, tap Add Extension to confirm. The browser will download and install the extension in the background and then show a brief confirmation message. For many extensions, you'll see an icon near the address bar or within the browser menu. That's where you can open it and adjust basic settings. Some extensions may also display a quick setup screen after installation to help you get started. Keep in mind that not every desktop extension is fully optimized for mobile, so features can vary. If an extension is designed specifically for desktop workflows, it might offer limited functionality on Android. If the web store doesn't load, or an extension fails to install, double-check your connection and try again. And that's all there is to it. To recap, install a compatible Chromium-based browser, open it, and visit the Chrome Web Store. Then add your chosen extension and confirm the permissions. Stick to reputable developers, review permissions thoughtfully, and avoid installing too many extensions at once, since each one can affect performance. Enjoy customizing your Android browsing experience with the tools you rely on.